Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you EcoBeauty Bytes' first subscription box. Each month, EcoBeauty Bytes will feature two of my most favorite natural beauty brands, Lotus Moon Skincare and Plain Jane Beauty. EcoBeauty Bytes is all about celebrating your beauty widely and unapologetically. If you're looking for natural, non-toxic, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free, then this box is made just for you. Each month, a box is curated by an advocate in the green beauty and wellness industry. Adina Diaz of the Natural Feeling Spa will be kicking off the January box with amazing products for winter skin solutions. Let's start off with the green tea and lavender cleansing milk, which is a very hydrating cleanser, perfect for sensitive and dry skin. Next we have the cardamom bamboo polishing cream. This ultimate scrub lifts up dead skin and moisturizes it at the same time. The hero of the three is the hyaluronic intensive face serum. It locks in moisture like nobody's business. Now we have some new and improved and sustainable goodies from Plain Jane Beauty. This is the Feel Good box with Palo Santo and Crystal Quartz. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come in next month's box. February is right around the corner and you don't want to miss out on next month's subscription. If you're interested in the Hyaluronic Intensive Face Serum, visit lotusmoonskincare.com to enjoy 20% off their January specials.